there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance, I'm right there. If you get lonely, give this song another listen, close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side.
Okay, you ready? Okay, I just put glue and water in here, and we have technical issues because there's a hole in here. So, okay, what else? What's
Even almost got married, and for being so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to my God, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, one taught me pain. So
whatever is in here is not hard anymore. We did have technical difficulties and the water spilled out, but we are trying to please our viewers, so we are going to make this work. See, it's already getting like fun. Not edible, kids. Okay, you guys press it in. We are making it for the water, so we are gonna follow. We follow our own direction because we're the whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna speak to Jose Alfred. So what do you think about slime?
I know you got a girlfriend.
I don't know, sometimes I feel like I feel like it just feels good though, it feels satisfying. It's like, I don't know, play with it or whatever. But I don't know, the word slime just
You like slime?
okay, yeah, that was fun. Play with it. I would play with the green slime. And the green.
Okay. How would you use slime? Like, would you like throw it against the wall and stuff?
No, I had this little container of slime, and I would just like push it, and I would just take it out, and I don't know, throw it away or whatever. Yeah, sometimes I guess I would throw it at my brother.
Like when you were a kid, did you like slime?
When I was a kid, I really didn't play with slime. I played with Legos.
What about now?
Now I still don't
In our video, we talked about the slime that we use. Well, we used borax glue, half a glue of Elmer glue bottle, water, and thick shaving cream foam. And we try to make fluffy slime, and there's different types of slime. There could be liquid like a more smooth fluid slime that could be made also, and they would just require different types of ingredients. But in what we just showed you, that was fluffy slime, and what makes it fluffy is the Barbasol cream foam, the shaving cream that we used, and food coloring to change up the colors. But we just used a basic, just no coloring, just so that we can show you that there's different ways of making it, that you don't have to use color. And next you will see our interviewing two people and how they think of slime, and if they ever had slime growing up or if they liked it. And we're going to see different perspectives on it, and then we'll give you a little teaser on what's coming next.
there be boys like you, tearing my heart in two, doing what you do best, taking me for a ride, telling me pretty little lies. But with you, I can't resist. Before I met you, I never felt good enough. Before I let you in, I'd already given up, left unread.
Ooh, girl, you're shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond. And they don't make you like they used to. You're never going out of style. Ooh, pretty baby, this world might have gone. Ooh, girl, you're shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond. And they don't make you like they used to. You're never going out of style. Ooh, pretty baby, this world might have gone.
Cut. Cut. Cut.
Or no, never mind. Carmen.
I'm voice recording. You know, for a podcast. Okay. What's our focus?
Are we still doing it on the same topic?
Yeah? Or do you want to change it?
No, I don't care. Or what else can we do?
Just say.
I don't know.
What are we gonna say? Oh yes, right. This is
Something that, okay, if we change it, then we'll do something like we really know so that we can get it done all quick.
It's because we don't know all this stuff yet. Conclusion. Just write it.
I don't know what to do it on.
Show that. You finished?